Hi parents, I had a couple of you asking how to get into the G Suite Google Classroom, and some of you have tried and had some issues, so they gave us some guidance on how to do that. So I was just going to walk you through really quick, and go ahead and try this if you haven't to make sure that everything's working for you. So when you log into the eClass, you're going to put in your child's number, and they wanted to make sure that we are not going in through just clicking on a Google search and going into regular Google, because that'll probably take you, if you have one at home or your parents have one, then it will go to that one. Okay, so when you go to your eClass, go down here, so you'll see, click G Suite for Education. So you want to click there to access your child's Google Classroom. And it'll have your child's beginning letter up there to show that's theirs. If they've not been to it before, it'll probably ask a lot of pop-up questions to accept. Give this a second just to load. Okay, once it's loaded, you'll see this waffle up here. You'll click there and go down to Classroom. And once you get to Classroom, you will see all of the classes. This is your specials teachers. So because your child had music on Monday, you want to join all of these. So when you click Join on all of them, it will allow you into their pages. So Miss Lee has already recorded, if you missed it on Monday, she has recorded what the live Zoom was, the link right there. So you can go in and watch it, and it also gives you any information. So that's the music Zoom link. Of course, if there's any assignments, and then Zoom recordings. Okay, and you can watch that if you missed it, if your child missed it. So you want to go in and log in. It should have My Class asking you to join as well. So make sure you just join all the classes that are offered to you. We won't be using Google Classroom much yet, but once we start having assignments, you will have to access. So I would go ahead and try that, and let me know if you have any problems with that link. Thanks.